Guys, welcome back. Look at this, huh? Came out nice. Well, you go from this. This is 52 Chevy. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And I'm doing the Ranchero right now as we speak. And this one I finished a little bit early. 51 Chevy. I like those. Those are nice, huh? Yes, sir. Some rear riders on that baby. Priming like at the old times. Yep, it's sweet. Sweet looking ride. Gotta get myself a turntable and make it look nice, you know. Again, 52 Chevy pickup. Alright guys, next one, like I said, every Sunday I'm gonna try to pump out at least 2 or 3 of these. Alright, so I did the Porsche right there. I did the Lexus. I did the truck, the 52 Chevy, and I'm gonna do the Ranchero. Not Ranchero, El Camino, I believe it's an El Camino. Yep, 1960 El Camino. That's what I'm gonna work on next. I'm gonna drill them out. Still gotta tap it, and then go from there. Change some wheels. All right, I'll let you know when I'm done.